Hello teacher, I give you my homework. Vietnam first Olympics Browell must support needed for further studies official. Dr. Phạm Doãn Long, Deputy Head of the National Institute of Animal Sciences. Vietnam has for the first time successfully grown bees using the somatic cells from air tissue. For healthy piglets who born in March, this is an important breakthrough for the country's animal cloning sector. Province in science and technology grew and precision in region and the world. Dr. Phạm Doãn Long, Deputy Head of the National Institute of Animal Sciences under the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development talked with Văn Nguyễn and Minh Phương on the importance and progress of this cloning technology. Could you tell us about your work and why the pot-bellied pigs were selected for this project? A total of 4 lump pigs were born on March 10, weighing 300 grams each. They are 1 to 1.5 kg each now, with typical characteristics of a pot-bellied pig, including small iris ear, a white back, a brown pot belly, and a straight tail. Our pigs are healthy and have grown normally compared to normal pigs of the same breed. This is a good sign, and we are still closely following the process of the pigs. Currently, Vietnam has more than 20 domestic pig breeds. We often yield low economic values compared to foreign breeds. Pot-bellied pig is a traditional Vietnam domestic breed that was born native due to lower economic value compared to imported breeds. In 2016 to 2017, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development Nguyễn Xuân Cường want to reserve this breed for its genetic value and high quality. Conservation of native animal genetic resources is very important to biodiversity. Without conservation, some designated species can recover their population and can disappear. This is also important for hybridization. So that's why this is selected for this project. How has animal cloning been studied in Vietnam? The world's first successful cloning technology on sheep was announced in 1996. Vietnamese scientists have also done studies on this technology. For example, the International University under Vietnam, National University Ho Chi Minh City, and Institute of Biotechnology under the Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology have studied cloning on cattle-like cow and pigs, but they have just announced to have successfully cloned in broil. This is the first time Vietnam successfully cloned a pig. It has been more than 20 years since the sheep dolly, walnut, and many breedbrows in science and technology have been made, but with limited resources. Our achievement in pig cloning proves the capacity of our scientists. And as far as I know, in ASEAN, Vietnam only ranks second after Thailand in animal cloning. A scientist worked in the laboratory of the National Institute of Animal Science, VNS Photo Minh Phương. Why this is so important and what the research progress for Vietnam scientists following the success of the project? The somatic cell nuclear transfer technology was successfully carried out for the first time in 1996 in the UK, where scientists created Dolly the sheep. This successful cloning technology opened the path for many studies in biology, medicine, and fertility. This cloning technology in Vietnam can be used with reserve prey and native species, choosing animal genes that have good genetic potential or of high quality. For example, we can use the learning technology to produce an exact genetic copy of high quality cow with good economic values. International scientists are also aiming toward genetic engineering to strengthen beneficial genes, say these are resistant or high fertility prey from one to another. In the long term, this technology can help to create blood banks for organ transplant for humans. Research shows the best organ transplant in humans are promises. Depending on this country, this will open different paths for further study. We hope to receive further support from the government and the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development to conduct study on other breed aspects to evaluate the fertility and growth capacity of lumpy genetically modified products are still controversial. How do you feel concerned over this issue? Could you have different view on gene engineering? However, it is necessary to do research on it for scientific purpose because it can open up many important findings in many fields. Nowadays, there are advanced technology that allow research gene engineering. Many countries, including the US and China, are very open with genetically modified products. Gene food like corn or soya beans are very popular. However, there are big differences between plant and animal that we need to consider carefully. What are the main difficulties scientists faced during the project? Our project started in July 2017. Our scientists worked around the clock for this project. Many procedures such as employee transfer, previous business timing. We also had failure and had to repeat many steps over and over again. Sometimes we almost made even big die when we almost got there. Lack of equipment is a major challenge in the project. We also have difficulty in attracting young scientists. Low salary and hard work make this less attractive to graduates. Meanwhile, they have many other options, including working for companies that offer 2 to 3 times income compared to working here. The success of deep learning technology with limited resources makes us very proud being said. Thank you for watching this video.